So Hugo, once F assets launch, what will people be able to do with their FXRP?
FXRP, for those that don't know, is effectively a bridged version of XRP onto Flare. It uses Flare's technology, uses Flare's data capabilities, because we believe that that is a better bridge, a better way to bridge. Specifically, a really good way to bridge for non-smart contract based networks. So once you have that asset on Flare, people are able to mint FXRP, which is the version of XRP, effectively by locking XRP on the XRP network and getting a representation of that on Flare. Then they'll be able to use it. We've been building out, whilst we've been building F assets, we've been building out a very fully fleshed out DeFi ecosystem and bringing major assets into that ecosystem, such as USDT and wrapped and staked ETH, and of course Flare and staked Flare, and many other tokens beyond that exist in the DeFi ecosystem. So, the principal protocols are DEXs, lending, perps, and of course that NFTs. And so suddenly when you get very, very large asset in like XRP, you'll be able to use it across those DeFi offerings, one of which is Firelight, and probably, which I think will be one of the biggest use cases of XRP, not just on Flare, but anywhere. And I think, but other things you'll be able to do with it is you'll be able to lend it. You'll be able to borrow XRP. You'll eventually be able to essentially turn XRP into a stablecoin through a CDP protocol, and you'll be able to trade XRP. But most importantly, once your XRP is in Firelight, you will get a staked representation of that XRP, which you can then do all the same things that you can do in DeFi with XRP, with FXRP, but with staked XRP, sXRP. And that is very exciting. It's something you can earn yield whilst borrowing dollars off of your XRP.
Mission control, we have liftoff.